Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how I transform some simple household items into something truly amazing. We're going from a few springs and a block of wood to a functioning TV antenna that will boost your signal, even if you live in a remote area. You might be surprised. Here's a simple rectangular wooden block, which will form the sturdy base of our creation. I used a ruler to check the size of the wood. I'm measuring the size of a wooden smaller section. This smaller piece will act as a foundational support block, ensuring stability for the components we'll add later. I'm using strong adhesive to firmly glue this smaller wooden block onto the main wooden base. This step is vital to ensure all parts are securely fixed and won't wobble or come apart during assembly or use, providing a robust structure for our antenna. A strong foundation is crucial for the durability of our project. Then I mark 2 precise spots on this attached wooden piece. These marks are where I'll drill holes, preparing the attachment points for the springs. Using my drill, I'm making sure to bore straight through the marked points on the small wooden block. These holes are essential as they will accommodate the screws that hold our antenna's spring elements securely in position. Now, I'm inserting 2 screws into the freshly drilled holes. I use a screwdriver to ensure they're tight and flush with the wood. These screws will act as anchor points, securely fastening the springs and other conductive elements to our wooden base. This is important for both the physical stability and electrical conductivity of the antenna. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. I'm measuring and marking 2 more points on the main wooden base, parallel to the first set of screws. These will be for the second set of anchors. Again, I drill through the wood, creating clean passages for the next screws. With the new holes drilled, I insert and tighten 2 more screws into the central positions. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. This completes the primary structure of our antenna base, providing all the necessary attachment points. Next, I'm carefully attaching both springs to the corresponding screws on the wooden block. These springs will stretch between the 2 sets of screws, providing the necessary tension and acting as crucial conductive elements for our antenna to work effectively. Taking a length of wire, I'm wrapping it tightly around a screwdriver to create a compact coil. This coiling technique is used to create an inductive element, which helps to tune our antenna to specific frequencies, greatly improving signal reception. This technique increases the effective length of the wire in a compact space, which is essential for better signal reception. After coiling, I use pliers to neatly shape the ends for easy attachment. I'm carefully attaching one end of this newly coiled wire to one of the screws already on our wooden base. This connection ensures the coiled element is properly integrated into the antenna circuit, making it ready to pick up signals. I'm repeating the coiling process with a second length of wire, creating an identical inductive element. Having two of these elements will help optimize signal reception across a broader range of frequencies. With the second coiled wire ready, I carefully attach it to the other screw on the wooden block. Now we have two symmetrical antenna elements, designed to efficiently capture electromagnetic waves. For the connection to the TV, I'm carefully disassembling a standard power plug. My goal here is to repurpose the plug's sturdy housing and its metal pins, which will become the terminals for our antenna's output. Now it's time to prepare the wiring. I strip the ends of some insulated wires, one blue and one orange, and connect them to the pins of our disassembled plug. It's crucial to ensure a solid connection for proper signal transmission. After securely securing both wires to the pins in the plug, I put the pins in place and screwed the plug back into its original shape. Using pliers, I stripped the remaining ends of the wires. After stripping to expose the copper wires, I divided the copper wires into two parts and twisted them neatly in preparation for the next connection. I'm meticulously connecting the twisted wires to the spring coil fixing screw, ensuring every contact point is solid for uninterrupted signal flow. Use screws to firmly secure the power cord to ensure no interruptions during use. This is where all our individual components come together to form a functional antenna. To secure all the connections and prevent any accidental shorts or movement, I'm applying hot glue around the repurposed plug components and the wired connections on the wooden block. This adds durability and safety to our homemade antenna. Next, I prepare another plug. Similar to the previous plug, I take out the metal pins to prepare for connection. I'm going to demonstrate how I prepare the main power cable for our antenna. I'm carefully stripping the black outer insulation to expose the individual wires inside. This requires precision to avoid damaging the internal conductors. This cable will be the main artery, carrying the received TV signals directly to your television's antenna input, effectively linking our DIY creation to your entertainment system. I'm twisting them together to make sure they connect securely. This provides a clean contact point for our connections. After stripping the cable further, I'm twisting the exposed wires and securing them to the connector with a screwdriver, ensuring a robust electrical connection for power and signal transmission. Once both wires were securely seated into the pins in the plug, I placed the pins in place and screwed the plug back into its original shape. Using a screwdriver, I tightened the plug to ensure it was securely seated. I connect the two plugs together and our antenna is complete. Finally, I'm stripping the other end of the main cable and attaching a specialized metal F connector. This connector is designed to fit snugly and securely into your TV's antenna port, creating a stable and high-quality signal pathway. As you can see, my TV currently shows no signal, just a blank screen. This is exactly what we're trying to fix. I'm going to connect our freshly built DIY antenna into the television's antenna input. Look at that. Instant channels. The picture is clear, and I can surf through different broadcasts with ease. It's truly amazing how effective this simple setup is. The TV is now receiving channels loud and clear. Our simple, homemade antenna has successfully brought in a strong signal. It's truly amazing what you can achieve with a bit of ingenuity and basic materials. To prove its effectiveness, I'm going to disconnect the antenna from the TV. As you can see, the signal is immediately lost. But watch what happens when I reconnect it. The channels are back, clear as day. This demonstrates that our homemade antenna is working perfectly, providing a strong and stable signal. Just look at the variety of channels coming through perfectly. This is a brilliant and cost-effective solution for anyone struggling with poor TV reception. This DIY antenna is not only effective but also incredibly cost-efficient. What do you think of this clever hack? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more exciting DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.